class, it's Ms. McLean, and today we're going to be talking about finding the slope using 2 points. We have on the board point A and point B, and we're going to take these points and fill them into the equation m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And we're going to just label these points as you see here on the board, and then we're going to take these points and substitute them into the equation. So what you will see on the board now is the y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. When we fill in the numbers and we do the subtraction of these points, we get 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. And this is our slope. Our slope in this case is a positive slope. And so that means our graph, the line on the graph, is going to go in the upward direction, meaning it's a positive slope. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and remember to always keep shining, keep solving, and remember, Jesus loves you.